Oh, would you believe it? Just the cheek of it. The bare cheek was going to be at the stake
for 6. Oh, went to hand. It just went to hand, and it will go. Just nudged. Got.
क्योंकि फास्ट बॉलर से विकटें नहीं ली जाती हैं T20 क्रिकेट में और फाइनल की जानिब इसे रवाना कर दिया 4 रन इसे फ्लैट बैट से खेला
again on the onside, and that's a 50.
How he makes these runs.
Get rid of him. He says, I'll get rid of you.
Show would have been pleased with that.
Very fast arm. Oh, here's more runs.
Over the top. Pace off, and I think they're just starting to get the picture now. Back of the bat. That is off the back of the bat. Deliberately. Oh, too high is it? But he's got it. We've got plenty of it all the way or not. There's man underneath it. Man looked like it was dipping.